What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, and today I'm showcasing this amazing Quixel Megascans new tree pack, which looks absolutely amazing. It actually just released a few days ago and it is all running with nanite. So if I go into here, into the nanite visualization and go into triangles, you can see how cool it looks. So basically, you know, like the level of detail of these assets are amazing. And I'm even in high. I'm not even in epic because it's not, or a cinematic because it's not, it wouldn't run in my computer. Like for example, I was setting a proper scene to showcase all this, but having like more than 20 trees didn't help for my computer, so I just need to showcase it in this level, but whatever. So this is totally free, guys. So if you haven't already, I will be linking this in the description so you can go ahead and download it. So of course, because it's a Quixel, it's totally free. So the quality of these assets are amazing. As you can see, the textures over here. Now maybe you're not seeing it 100% because of YouTube's compression and stuff, but I'm gonna say that it has a very high quality. And I also have to note that again, I am in high settings, not max settings. So these trees over here are amazing. So you have to be very careful with them, because like I mentioned before, if you try to put more than 15 or 20, like the game will go at 10 frames per second. So you have to be gentle with them and stuff, because they're not like Maui's one. Maui's one, of course, are amazing, but these ones are a lot more expensive and heavier. So you have to be very careful. I even went ahead and disabled virtual shadow maps, because I mean, if not, it was like a 10 FPS. So yeah, the quality of this is absolutely amazing. So if you haven't already, go ahead and load this asset. And this was just a simple video and quick, and just showcasing this because I think that everyone needs to know about this new asset pack, and go ahead and try it for yourself so you can see the quality that Unreal Engine 5 has to offer. And of course, there are more incredible assets from Quixel coming in, also more tree packs and stuff. So this is just amazing. So let's see in the future if we get more different biomes. So this one's still European beach. So let's see if we get more different, like for example tropical jungles. I would love to see that, or maybe more desert looking tundra kind of trees, not only like bushes and stuff. So let's see. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so if you want to go ahead and check them out, go ahead. Also join my Discord servers so you can go ahead and talk with other game devs, ask questions, show your progress in your games, and so on. Now yes, with all that said, bye bye. And also follow me on my socials, Twitter and Instagram. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.